another episode of Metal Detecting for Arizona Gold. Today I got me a new bike, a mini bike, a Coleman BT200X. Hopefully that'll save me some of these Arizona pinstripes from continuing to happen on my car, and hopefully I can get into some places that couldn't previously. See, I got my Gold Monster bungeed up to it, and we got just enough room over here for the GPX 4000, though I didn't bring it today. We're out here in Mayer. We're gonna go hit a few spots that we've hit in the past and explore some new spots as well. Here we go. Okay, well, we're out here. We got our first signal of the day. Well, we've had one other, but it was a hot rock. But this is looking positive. Let's see what this is. Well, it was gold, though very little. I don't even know if you can see that one. On to the next. But we got another signal here somewhere. There we go. Thing about this place is I've cleaned this whole area out really good, but somebody came in and started shooting, so there's been a lot of new bullets. But hopefully this is a piece of gold I missed. Let's check it out. Well, we're 1 for 2. This was a piece of lead, something recent. Well, we got another signal down here. Says it's iron or a hot rock, but I bet you it's gold. Let's take a look. Well, it was just another little piece of shrapnel. On to the next. Definitely not iron though. Well, we got another signal here. Pretty good signal. Let's take a look and see what it is. We'll check this one out. Ended up being a pretty nice one. Somewhere down there. You see it? That's a nice little flake right there. All right. 2 pieces. One of them not really worth even mentioning, but this one's nice. Let's keep going. Well, I just got another pretty screaming target. I got a huge feeling this is gold. Let's take a look. Well, all I did was blow off a little bit of the dirt out of the way, and right there, you see that? Little piece. Let's get it out. Well, I got that piece out, but I don't think that was it. We're still over there. Something bigger. Let's see what it is. Well, there was another small little piece of gold, but it was screaming on that one. I can't believe how much it screamed. Tiny little piece. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. That was 2 pieces right next to each other there. Let's see if there's any more in this little area here. Well, since we're finding gold here, I decided to clear off some of this bedrock. And we got something over here. Let's see what it is. Well, it ended up being gold right down in there, if you can see it. Right there. Let's pull it out. Well, that's gonna do it for today. We found a couple pieces, cruised around on the bike. Everything went pretty good. We're heading back to Prescott now. When we get there, we'll weigh it up and see what we got. All right, here we go. When we made it back, we're gonna weigh up what we found. See what we got here. Let this 0 out. See if I can open this one-handed. There we go. 0.26. I feel like I've seen that number before. But that's what we got for today. Wasn't the greatest, but it wasn't too bad. I was pretty happy with that bigger piece. Well, you know the deal. Hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.